Hello students, in today's video we are going to solve a problem on reduction of share capital. Now we have already discussed the journal entries in the previous class. Now using those journal entries we are going to solve this problem. So let us go through the problem first. Bad Luck Company Limited decided to go in for internal reconstruction which was approved by the court. The scheme of reconstruction is as follows. First one, 1000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully paid be reduced by rupees 7 per share. So the actual share capital of the company is 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. Now the face value of rupees 10 has to be reduced by rupees 7. So rupees 7 is the amount of capital reduction and 3 rupees will be the new face value of the share. Because the word by rupees 7 is used, by means you have to reduce that much amount. Okay. Next one, 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid are reduced by rupees 20 per share. So the actual preference shares of the company are 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each. The face value of preference shares is 100. Now it has to be reduced by rupees 20. So reduced by 20 means the face value of preference shares will become 80. Okay. And the last adjustment is the reduction of share capital is utilized to write off accumulated loss balance of rupees 3,60,000, preliminary expenses of rupees 1 lakh, and the balance is used to write off the patents. So whatever amount is collected from the reduction of share capital, that is to be utilized to write off the loss of 3,60,000 preliminary expenses, and if there is any balance, that is to be used to write off the patents. So you have to pass the journal entries to give effect to the above scheme. Okay. So let us first calculate how much is the capital reserve amount that we are going to get. Now how to calculate this? I just tell you. So 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 are to be reduced by rupees 7. So here we have to consider how much amount is reduced. From equity shares you have to reduce rupees 7, reduced by rupees 7. So let us see the amount. It will be 1 lakh shares into rupees 7. So this is your capital reduction amount. Amount will be 7 lakhs. So you have to show it like this. Then from preferences, 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid are reduced by rupees 20 per share. Actual face value of shares is 100. Now they are to be reduced by rupees 20 per share. So amount reduced is 20. So here in the bracket 20,000 shares into rupees 20. So the amount will be 4 lakhs. So the total amount of capital reduction we have is 11 lakhs. And this amount will be utilized to write off the losses, preliminary expenses and the patents. So let us now pass the journal entries. So let us look at the first adjustment. 1000 equity shares of rupees 10 each fully be reduced by rupees 7 per share. Okay, so this 1 lakh equity shares are to be reduced by 7 per share. So let us look at the entry for reducing the share capital with the amount reduced. So here we are reducing the share capital. So we have to pass this entry. Entries like this: share capital account debit to capital reduction account, and the amount will be the amount of capital reduction. Now look at the second point. 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each fully paid are reduced by rupees 20 per share. So in both the entries we are reducing the share capital. So what we can do is, instead of passing two entries, we will combine it into one entry. Let me explain how to pass this journal entry. So the entry is like this: share capital account debit to capital reduction account. So this is the format of ledger, journal ready with us. So the entry will be like this: equity share capital account debit. So the amount of equity share capital which is reduced is 1 lakh shares into rupees 7 per share. So the amount is 7 lakhs. Credit column we have to put a dash. Then you have is preference share capital. Okay. Then preference share capital account debit. How much amount is reduced? 20,000 shares into 20. So that will be 4 lakhs. In the credit column, we will put a dash. To the entries to capital reduction account. Okay. So to capital reduction account, total that is 11 lakhs. Whatever amounts we have calculated here, that you need to take. Narration being 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each reduced by rupees 7 per share, and 20,000 preference shares of rupees 100 each is reduced by 20 per share. Okay. Here we have already calculated the amount of capital reduction. Okay, so using this amount only we have passed this entry. Now entry for the third adjustment, let us see. The reduction amount of share capital is utilized to write off accumulated loss balance of rupees 3,60,000, preliminary expenses of 1 lakh, and the balance is used to write off patents. Now we have to pass the entry for utilization of capital reduction amount. Okay, this entry will not come. Neither these entries will come. See, this entry we have to pass for utilization of capital reduction amount. Entry is like this: capital reduction account debit to profit and loss account, to goodwill account, to preliminary expenses account, to discount on issue of shares account, to discount on issue of debentures account, to machinery account, to patents account, and to capital reserve account. So a similar entry for this to first the entry is like this: capital reduction account debit. So amount of capital reduction is 11 lakhs. So we are going to make use of this 11 lakhs to write off the accumulated profit and loss account. So there is a accumulated loss of rupees 3,60,000. So capital reduction account debit to profit and loss account amount is 3,60,000. Then next you have to write off preliminary expenses. So to preliminary expenses account amount is 1 lakh. And finally, if there is a balance, that is to be used to write off patents. So from 11 lakhs, if you minus 3,60,000, and if you minus 1 lakh, so that will amount to 6,40,000. So 6,40,000 will be used to write off the patents. So we have done as per the information given in the problem. First you have to write off the loss, then preliminary expenses, then whatever balance remains, that you have to use to write off the patents. Okay. So narration will be: being capital reduction amount utilized as per the scheme of reconstruction, and patents reduced by rupees 6,40,000. So this is how you pass the journal entries for reduction of share capital. I hope you have understood the problem. With this, I conclude for today. Thank you.